Hi there. Before we start our video, you need to go and get your alphabet mat. You need to get your letters out, and you need a dry erase marker and something to wipe your board off with. So go ahead and pause the video and get your alphabet mat, your letters, and a dry erase marker. Now that you have your alphabet mat, your letters, and your dry erase marker, we need to flip our mat so that your side matches mine. And then you need to get your letters, and remember, you need to pour them out in the middle of your mat. And then you need to take the time to flip all your letters over so they are facing the correct way. Now that your letters are facing the correct way, you need to put your letters up on the arc. Remember, we start with the initial sound, so use your left hand to put the initial sound on the arc, and then we need to put the two middle sounds on our arc, still using the left hand. So go ahead and do that. And then we need to put the final sound of the alphabet on our arc. Final means last. You need to use your right hand for that. Now you can start putting your letters in alphabetical order, and you need to use your left hand for the left side of the arc. After the N, you switch to your right hand, and you use your right hand for the right side of the arc. Go ahead and see if you can race me and put the letters on the arc before I do. Go ahead and begin. Did you do it? Did you beat me? Good job. Now, before we start making our words, we need to do our alphabet sounds. Go ahead and follow along with me. Take your pointer finger and put it right underneath the letter and say it after me. A, apple. B, bear. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, gate. H, hat. I, igloo. J, jack in the box. K, kite. L, leaf. M, moon. N, nest. O, octopus. P, pig. Q, queen. R, ring. S, sun. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, vacuum. W, window. X, x-ray. Y, yo-yo. Z, zipper. Now what you need to do is take your marker, and we're going to draw our sound box. So remember, our sound box is kind of like a large rectangle, and it's okay if you don't get the line straight. And then we're first going to start off with 2 lines so that we have 3 boxes. So go kind of in the middle, draw your line, make another line. You want the spaces to be as equal as possible. That's okay if you don't get it exactly right. Now, what we need to do is start making our words, and we're going to use the spelling pattern of consonant digraphs. Remember, our consonants are the part of the alphabet that are not vowels, so we have quite a few consonants in our alphabet. And now we are going to focus on digraphs. Now that's just a fancy word for chunk, and it's a chunk with 2 consonants like CH put together make one sound. So what sound does CH make? Ch, makes a ch sound. Now I'm thinking of a word that has the sh chunk at the end of it. And remember, that is a chunk, and it makes one sound when put together. Sh. What letters make the sh sound? Sh. Good. That is S and H, and they go in one sound box together because together they make one sound. SH together, they make one sound. Now we need to figure out what the rest of our word is. Now this word, it starts with the d sound. What sound is that? Good. It's a D. So can you guess what word this is? Good job. The word that we are making is dish, and we need our vowel to go in the middle. Dish. Now we're going to sound it out and push it up. So do it with me. D-I-sh. Dish. Our word is dish, and this is our chunk, our consonant digraph. S is a consonant, H is a consonant. When they are put together, they make one new sound, and that is sh. Now go ahead and put the letters back up on the arc. Now I'm thinking of a bigger word here, so that means we're gonna have to erase the 2 lines and add another line. So go ahead and get your Kleenex or anything that you have and erase those 2 lines. Try to keep your rectangle. There we go. Now we're gonna add 3 lines. So we're gonna do a line here, here, and here, so that we have 4 squares. Now I'm thinking of a word that ends with sh. So we're still working on that sh chunk. So it ends with sh. Now the middle of the word has a vowel in it. Can you guess what vowel? Good job, it's an A. And the beginning of the sound starts with f, and then it has l. Good, it's F and L. So now we need to sound it out and push it up together to figure out what the word is. F, L, A, sh, flash. Good, the word is flash. And what pattern does it have? It has our consonant digraph pattern. S and H, when put together, makes sh sound. Go ahead and put the letters back up on the arc. Now we're going to change it up again. Go ahead and erase the lines inside here. Keep the outside lines, erase the inside lines. Good, we're going to do a smaller word this time. Now we need just 2 lines this time. 1, 2. There you go. Now I'm thinking of the word, and this time it starts with sh at the beginning. Its first sound is sh. Good. It's our S and H chunk, and they go together because they make one sound together. And then at the end of it, it has a silent letter. What silent letter do you think it has? Good job. It has an E at the end. Remember, because it's silent, it doesn't make a sound. So it goes on the outside of our sound box. It doesn't belong in the sound box because it doesn't make a sound. So it goes on the outside. But it is a helper with the vowel in the middle. So we know that there's a vowel that goes in the middle. It's not E, but can you guess what it is? It's not A, it's not O, it's not U. It is I. Good job. So it goes in the middle. Now what consonant should come after that? It should be N. So now we are going to sound it out and push it up into our sound box and figure out what word this is. Now remember, SH when put together makes one sound. Sh. We know that the silent E is our helper. It's a magic E, and it makes the I say long I sound. So let's go ahead and sound it out and push it up. Sh, I, shine. Good, the word is shine. Now we're gonna try a new chunk. And this chunk comes at the beginning of the word. It is th, th. Did you hear it? Did you listen close? I put my tongue in between my teeth. So go ahead and do that. Put your tongue in between your teeth and push out air. Th. What sound chunk does that? It is TH. So TH when put together makes one sound and you can barely hear it. Th, th. It ends with the That's an N. Good. And the vowel in the middle is I. So now we're going to sound it out and push it up. Thin. Good. Now let's put the letters back down. You can put the I back up, and we're going to try a different vowel. We're going to try A. Let's see how that changes our word. Let's go ahead and sound it out. Fan. Good. Now you can put the letters back up on the arc.